Imagine holding the most complex object in the known universe not in your hands, but inside your skull. The human brain, a 3-pound web of nearly 100 billion neurons, is responsible for everything that makes us who we are, our thoughts, emotions, memories, and even our sense of self. For centuries, the brain was an enigma, a locked vault that even the greatest minds struggled to decode. But today, thanks to revolutionary advances in neuroscience, we're peeling back its layers in ways that were once the stuff of science fiction. How far have we come in understanding this extraordinary organ? And what mysteries remain just beyond our grasp? One of the most groundbreaking developments in brain research has been our ability to observe it in real time. Technologies like functional magnetic resonance imaging fMRI allow scientists to see which regions of the brain activate when we speak, dream, or feel emotions. It's like watching a city light up at night. Suddenly, we can map the mind's hidden landscapes. Even more astonishing, researchers have begun decoding brain activity to reconstruct images a person is seeing or even predict decisions before they're consciously made. In one famous experiment, scientists used brain scans to identify what number a person was thinking of with surprising accuracy. We're not quite at mind reading yet, but the line between science and sci-fi is blurring faster than ever. Then there's the mystery of memory, how the brain stores everything from your first kiss to the smell of your grandmother's cooking. Memories aren't kept in a single drawer, but are scattered across networks of neurons, constantly reshaped each time we recall them. This fragility is both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, it allows us to adapt and learn. On the other, it means memories can be distorted or lost. Scientists are now exploring ways to strengthen, erase, or even implant memories. In lab experiments, researchers have used light to manipulate neurons in mice, creating false memories of events that never happened. While human applications are still far off, the implications are staggering. Could we one day ease the pain of traumatic memories or halt the progression of Alzheimer's? The possibility is no longer pure fantasy. Perhaps the brain's most astonishing feature is its ability to rewire itself, a phenomenon called neuroplasticity. This means that even after injury or disease, the brain can sometimes reroute its circuits to recover lost functions. Stroke survivors, for example, often regain movement through therapy that trains new brain regions to take over for damaged ones. Researchers are now testing ways to boost this natural resilience, from non-invasive brain stimulation to virtual reality rehab programs. Some studies even suggest that targeted electrical pulses could accelerate learning, raising tantalizing questions. Could we one day download new skills or languages directly into our brains? While that's still speculative, the idea that we might enhance our own minds is no longer just a plot twist in the Matrix. Of course, with such power comes profound ethical dilemmas. If we can alter memories or boost intelligence, who gets to decide how these tools are used? Could brain-reading technology one day invade our privacy, revealing thoughts we'd rather keep hidden? And what happens if these advances deepen societal inequalities? Imagine a world where only the wealthy can afford cognitive enhancements. These aren't just hypotheticals, they're questions we'll need to answer sooner than we think. Yet for all our progress, the brain remains deeply mysterious. Take consciousness, the sheer fact that we're aware of ourselves at all. How does a lump of gray matter give rise to the feeling of Joe, the color red, or the sense of me? Even the most sophisticated AI can't replicate this inner experience, and scientists still debate whether they ever will. Some theories suggest consciousness emerges from the brain's complex networks, while others propose it might be a fundamental property of the universe, like gravity. Whatever the answer, cracking this puzzle could redefine what it means to be human. As we stand on the brink of these discoveries, one thing is clear: the journey to understand the brain is far from over. Every breakthrough leads to new questions, and the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. But that's the thrill of science. Each revelation brings us closer to unlocking the deepest secrets of our existence. Whether it's curing diseases, enhancing abilities, or finally grasping the nature of thought itself, the future of brain science promises to be as unpredictable as the mind it seeks to understand. So what do you think? Are we approaching an era where we can truly hack the brain, or will some mysteries always remain beyond our reach? The answers may lie not just in labs and scanners, but in the very organ we're trying to decipher. After all, it's the human brain that's asking these questions, and perhaps, one day, it will solve them too.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.